up this morning. Got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world's outside. Sun in my eye, a girl in my ride. Head in the sky, we gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we can fly. With you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning.
Hey YouTube family, Wagwan. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, good night. Whenever you guys are watching this video, hopefully you are doing well. In this video today, we're just going to spend some time tidying up the backyard, clean up the gazebo, clean up the little patio area, make it nice and clean, and have us a cute little barbecue. We're also going to be doing some chores outside, just some basic, everyday outdoor chores like watering the garden, harvesting some plants, repotting some plants, and then afterwards, just sitting down and relaxing. That's basically what this entire video is all about. Doing my chores and then sitting down and relaxing for the rest of the day. Typically in my videos, as you guys can see from before, I am usually narrating the video as I'm recording it. Like, I don't do voiceovers. Rarely do I ever do voiceovers. I don't think I ever done a voiceover in any of my gardening videos. But for me, whenever I am doing like a cleaning, like cleaning the garden and cleaning anything, I honestly prefer to just get it done. And sometimes when you're recording a YouTube video, the process of doing what you have to do, like cleaning and talking to the camera and moving the camera, can slow down the cleaning process for me. That's just in my opinion. And when I'm cleaning, especially my patio area, I want to get it done and just be done with it so that I can relax. So I said, let me try a different format for this video. I am just going to just set the camera up, press the record button, record a meadow, and then afterwards do a voiceover just to talk to you guys when I have more time and I can, just talk to you guys a little bit. So that's what I'm doing now. This is my gazebo. Absolutely love my gazebo, love it so much. But it does get pretty dusty sometimes, so I like to get up and dust it out. And then, as you guys can see, I am sprinkling some, I think it's peppermint essential oil all over the place, because as much as I love my gazebo, spiders also love my gazebo as well. Now, I'm not terrified of spiders. I'm not scared of spiders, but I just don't want them crawling on me when I'm trying to relax. So from what I understand, peppermint oil does deter spiders. So I just sprinkle it all over the place just to keep them away a little bit. Does it truly work? I honestly don't think so, because I still see them in there, but it's not as much. But they're still in there. The spiders are still in there with me, so it is what it is. It's not a crazy amount of spiders, but they're in the ceiling here and there. Now, before we start cleaning, we have to fuel our body. So I'm just having a quick little morning snack. I call it a snack because it's not my full breakfast. I think I'm having some mint tea. Lemon balm tea with some lemon balm, some fresh lemon balm from the garden, and some crackers. And I'm just sitting down, swinging, relaxing, and enjoying the morning before I start cleaning.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, that she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew.
Now that the garden is all watered, it's time for me to water myself. I am big on making sure that I drink a lot of water, especially when I'm outside. I have to quench my body because I don't want to get dehydrated. So right here, I'm just picking some mint from my little mint collection. I think this time I chose pineapple mint and strawberry mint, and I'm going to just add it to my water bottle to make a nice, refreshing drink so I can drink it throughout the day while I'm outside. And this is the mint, you guys, that I took out the green stalk. Remember that video, like 2 videos ago, where I struggled to get out the green stalk? That's the mint. But yeah, I'm making my little refreshing drink so that I can be well hydrated throughout the day. Drink your water, y'all. Make sure that not drink enough water when outside in the garden. Stay hydrated. You guys, look at my garden. I am so proud of myself. I absolutely love looking at my garden from like a wide angle view because just a few years ago, this was all weed and grass and just, especially the corners. These garden beds are new that I recently created with just over time laying down cardboard, putting down mulch, cardboard mulch, and using a lot of clearance plants and free plants from my neighborhood to just develop the garden of my dreams. When I tell you I'm so proud of myself, you guys, if you guys have a space in your yard, just take your time. Don't rush. You don't have to buy new plants every year. Just take your time, tend to it, work on what you got to work on. Plant one seed at a time, one plant at a time, and it'll turn into the garden of your dreams. Trust it will. Now let's start cleaning out this gazebo. But y'all, first thing is first. First thing is first, we have to protect the locks from all the lint and the dust that's about to fly up. I'm putting on my yellow lock sock. I know it's bright yellow. It might look crazy, but it's doing what it needs to do. It's protecting my locks from lint, and that is top priority. And I'm feeling myself. I don't care how it looks. And to me, I look cute. And my locks are protected. And that's the number one priority right now. Now, sweeping out the gazebo is not an everyday thing for me. As you guys can see, it's pretty dusty this time, and that's because we had a storm recently that blew a lot of dust inside. But also, if you guys can look behind me, my neighbor's trees, they have a lot of pine trees. And oh God, you don't understand how I wish they would cut those trees down. I wish. But it's their yard, they do whatever they want. And I absolutely love my neighbors. Love her to death. It's an older lady, so I love her. So I'm not mad at her. But those trees irk my nerves, y'all. Because as soon as I clean the gazebo, hey, spider friend, hey. As soon as I clean the gazebo and clean the patio area, you guys, in a few days, it just gets messy again with all the pine needles from the tree behind me, that is lining the fence. So it's just a task. I'm not mad at it. I'm still grateful that I have this space and it gives me something to do every day. As much as it can get a little bit annoying, I don't let it hinder me from enjoying my garden. I love my garden, love my gazebo, love my patio space, and I'm just going to show gratitude no matter how much I have to clean it. I'm still grateful, y'all. So grateful.
It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. When the baggage is heavy, baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Now let's plant one of my favorite medicinal garden herb plants. I'm Jamaican, which is very stereotypical for me to say, but if you know, you know. I use it for medicinal herb purposes only. So let's repot that plant really quickly. And that's basically all the chores I'm going to do for today. Once I plant this plant, I'm going to take it easy today because as much as I love working in my garden, and you guys see I work heavy on the work in my garden. I do actually make time to enjoy my garden. Please do that. Don't only work, and tire yourself and not enjoy the garden. Enjoy the garden. This is a day where I'm not doing much. I cleaned. I'm about to have a good barbecue, and I'm going to enjoy the garden. So that was it. I cleaned. The chicken is going on the grill. As you can see, the grill is smoking, and now I'm sitting down relaxing. At this point, I'm editing a video that I'm trying to upload for you guys. I think that video is already out. My last video is what I'm editing right now, sitting down. But I'm relaxing. And then after this is done, I'm going to sit and relax in my gazebo some more. I might go on the swing. I might just take a nap. I'm gonna eat my chicken and my corn and all the things that was on my in my grill. But you guys, please take time to enjoy the garden. Like I get there's but so much you can do. And then the season ends and you're like, hey, I didn't enjoy it. So I actually spent a lot of time outside just sitting in my gazebo, drinking my water, of course, minding my business, but enjoying my space. And that is so big for me. So if you guys don't take anything from this video, takeaway number one, protect your locks if you have them. Number two, stay hydrated. And number three, enjoy your garden. Sit, relax, and enjoy. Ooh, look at that. It looks good. It looks so good. This is my favorite book as of recent, you guys. I just love taking the time to just sit and read this book and just enjoy. If you're interested in purchasing this book, it's not my book. I love it. I will link it in the description for you guys to enjoy as well. but I love reading the inspirational garden stories in this book. Well, until my next video, you guys, I'll talk to you in the comment section. Bye.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say, blew everybody away.